Every minute of train delay means losses. The key is reducing repair time. Meet the Intelligent Service Inspection Guidance High-Tech Terminal, or simply, Insight. Insight, an AI-powered incident management system fused with a professional-grade multimeter. The high-precision measurement platform ensures reliable voltage, current, resistance, and frequency readings in real-field conditions, and includes an integrated oscilloscope feature. Specialized for railways, signals decoding, contactless inside rails signal measurements, even detecting residual magnetism. Seamlessly integrating with the Enterprise Incident Management System, Insight instantly notifies field teams of incidents. It improves mean time to repair and mean time between failures. The system extends equipment uptime and boosts the efficiency of preventive maintenance. The built-in expert system guides step-by-step, shows schematics, and provides recovery algorithms. With its intuitive guidance, even junior staff can work at an expert level. All the technicians need to do is follow the directives. Thanks to its elaborate internal logic, the system automatically detects the measured values, checks them against the reference ones, and decides on the next steps. More than a measuring device, Insight thinks, guides, and transforms maintenance. Using vast amounts of data from maintenance guides and past reports, Insight has answers to an enormous number of issues, guiding technicians straight to resolution. Cutting downtime, saving time and money, optimizing staff working hours. It keeps you on track with SLA, ensuring every operation runs on time with excellent performance. All actions are automatically synced to the cloud for report generation and big data analysis. Control N. Open a new page of safety and profitability of railways.